Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is another wig install, but this wig install is featuring LuvMe Hair. LuvMe Hair was kind enough to send me this unit. This is a mixed highlight 10-inch bob wig. I bodied this, y'all. I bodied this and it's giving scalp. I didn't even have to play around with it that much. All I did was pluck the hairline in the middle to make my middle part very distinctive and pluck a few hairs in the front. Don't y'all love my bumped ends? This was like one of the quickest installs I've ever done. I think this took me under like 30 minutes. If you guys want to see how I install this wig, then just keep on watching. So I got my wig cap on and we have the unit right here. I'm going to be applying some foundation on the lace as well as on my cap. So it comes with a elastic band and 3 clips and then like an adjustable strap here. I'm going to be applying some Got2B gel. I do favor closure wigs more than frontals because I feel like closures are much more beginner friendly than frontals. Okay, so now that it's tacky, I'm going to push it forward. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting the lace now. I'm going to be taking a wax stick or a pomade stick, taking a hot comb. Proceed with caution. Straightening my hair, and we're going to be lightly bumping the ends, not like how your mom used to do it though. We're not going to church. I'm just going to be taking a angled brush and some concealer and making a very distinct part. This is the finished look. Kind of feels like it looks and feels as if like I just got like my hair pressed, like my natural hair pressed and into a bob. Thank you to LuvMe Hair for sending me this unit, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video.